I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Leche Flan without steaming. First, prepare your molds by coating them evenly with a thin layer of caramel. This crucial step prevents sticking and adds a beautiful golden finish to your flan. Next, combine the creamy custard base, making sure it's perfectly smooth before pouring. We will then discuss the simple baking process that replaces traditional steaming, giving you a perfectly set flan every time. Gather your ingredients, including 6 large egg yolks, 1 can of condensed milk, and 1 can of evaporated milk. For the caramel, you will need 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons of water. Gently whisk the egg yolks, being careful not to incorporate too much air, which can lead to a bubbly texture. Strain the custard mixture through a fine mesh sieve to ensure a silky smooth consistency. Once your caramel is set in the molds, carefully pour the strained custard mixture over it. Place your molds in a larger baking pan and fill the pan with hot water, creating a water bath. Bake this in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 45 to 60 minutes, or until the flan is just set but still slightly jiggly in the center. This gentle baking method ensures a creamy texture. After baking, let your Leche Flan cool completely at room temperature. This prevents condensation from forming and affecting the texture. Once cooled, refrigerate the flan for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow it to fully set and for the flavors to meld beautifully. To serve, simply run a thin knife around the edges and invert onto a serving plate. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.